Hey DIYers, I'm George from AlarmNet. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Total Connect 2.0 on your phone. So first of all, Total Connect 2.0 is a application that you guys will use to be controlling your Honeywell, or now known as Resideo, alarm systems. Now Total Connect will require either a Wi-Fi or a cellular connection to your panel. So if you have a phone line system, you might want to think about getting a communicator for it if it's compatible. If you have the Lyric, Link systems, Vista 20Ps with communicators that communicate through IP and cellular, that is all perfect. Again, these have to be Resideo alarm systems since this is a Resideo or Honeywell application. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your whole system activated, set up for the monitoring plan, and your alarm company has actually set you guys up for the Total Connect 2.0 service. If you guys have been set up with the Total Connect 2.0 service, they should have shown you guys how to log into the application. But just in case you guys still don't know, I will be going over it with you. So the first thing we do is actually send out welcome emails, or the welcome emails get sent out from Total Connect when your account is created and pre-configured. You're going to be using those welcome emails to create a new password. Your username will usually always be your email to start off. That's something that can be changed. Again, that might also just be something that we do here at AlarmGrid. Different usernames might be created by different companies. So after you've created the new password and everything like that, you also want to make sure that you actually have the Total Connect 2.0 application downloaded on your tablet, iPhone, Android, whatever device you're using it on. You need to make sure you download it from the App Store or Play Store. Today, I'm going to be using my iPad for demonstration purposes, so give me just one moment while I get it set up. Okay, so now that my iPad is set up, I'm going to go to the App Store. Let me just search for it. App Store. Now, when I'm in the App Store, the first thing you're going to want to do is search for Total Connect 2.0. It's very important you guys download the correct app. They do have the apps for Total Connect. When you search it, there's a couple of different apps that show up almost with the same logo, but there is a big difference. So make sure you guys are downloading Total Connect 2.0. So I'm going to go to the search feature in the bottom right hand corner, App Store search, Total Connect, and as you see, it already comes up in my results. So I'm going to just select Total Connect 2.0. Now, these are the two apps that I'm telling you might get confused. There's Total Connect 2.0 and Total Connect Comfort. You need to hit Total Connect 2.0. Mine is showing there's an update, so I'm actually going to click on the app, and I'll just hit a quick update on it. If this is your first time downloading Total Connect 2.0, you will probably see the option says Get. All right. It is asking me for my iTunes password, which I don't have at the moment, so I'm just going to leave Total Connect as is. So after you download Total Connect 2.0 and it's on your app, you go ahead and open it up. And when you open it up, it'll ask you for your username and password. So once you open up the Total Connect application, it is going to be asking you for your username and password. So you're going to use the username that your alarm company created for you. You're going to want to make sure you confirm that with them. And then you're going to want to use the password that you created from the welcome emails that you got. It should have been a link that would have taken you to the Total Connect website to create a password for your username. Now, after you have all your login credentials, you're just going to hit sign in. You can go ahead and you have the option to select keep me signed in or not. That's going to make it easier so you guys can close out of the app, open the app back up without having to log in your login information every single time. All right. I'm going to hit sign in. And after you guys sign in, you can actually go ahead and start looking at your alarm system. You can arm, disarm. If you guys have cameras, you can add the cameras to your application. If you guys have Z-Wave devices, you can start creating scenes. You guys can start creating email and text messages alerts. You guys can start creating different users, passcodes for the system. The Total Connect 2.0 application, the only thing you really can't do is program the panel from Total Connect. But everything else you can pretty much do. You can control it, control the lights, control automation, look at your cameras, create notifications, add and delete users. There's a whole bunch of different things that you guys can do with Total Connect 2.0, and we look forward to working with you guys in getting your system and your monitoring service set up the way that you guys want. Now, whether you guys are doing this on an iPad, a tablet, an Android tablet, an iPhone, an Android phone, the application is pretty much all going to look the same. Also, remember, you can access the website as well, so it's not just always done through an application. If you guys want to use your computer, you just go to the website totalconnect2.com. If you hit enter in totalconnect2.com, it'll take you to the same login screen that we had when we opened up the app. You enter in your login information, you hit sign in, and you're going to basically see the same thing that you're seeing on my tablet screen here. Alright, so that pretty much sums up the video on how to get Total Connect 2.0 set up on your phone or your tablet or your mobile device. If you guys have any questions whatsoever on how to get the Total Connect 2.0 account set up, feel free to contact us at support@alarmgrid.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and enable notifications so when we upload new content, you guys get notified. I'm George, and I'll see you guys next time.